Hello everyone, welcome back to SMK. This video is going to be very interesting. Today I will show you how America is making more money just by exporting blood to other countries more than coal and gold. It might be shocking to you, but it is a fact. In few moments I will show you according to guardian.com, that's the official website. They have revealed the data how America is making, billions of dollars literally just by exporting blood plasma. America is one of like top 5 countries who are exporting blood plasma around the world. And I will show you the other countries as well. And uh, low income earners in America, the people who are crossing the border from Mexico to United States, they are donating blood plasma, and they are making good amount of money just by donating the blood. And America has built the market to the level, and they are exporting the blood plasma to other countries, and they are making billions of dollars. So now I will show you on the website. As you can see here on the website guardian.com, we have a whole article about this thing. Blood for Money, My Journey in the Industry Buying Poor Americans Plasma. So what is blood plasma? Plasma has three things: enzymes, cells, and proteins. It contributes 55% of the blood volume, of the blood total volume. And you can see here up to 20 million people in the United States may donate or sell their blood plasma, the yellowish liquid protein component of blood, in a year. This is the data from 23rd March 2023. And when you scroll down on this article, you might be seeing in 2021 the global blood plasma industry was valued at $24 billion. It is a huge amount of money. And the other top 5 countries are Austria, Czech Republic, Germany, and Hungary as well. They are exporting blood plasma around the world, but United States is one of them, and they are making billions of dollars by doing this kind of stuff. And it contributes to the American economy as well. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.